errands sur l'opposant.
All right, what is up, YouTube? I need to come up with a name for y'all. I don't know. We're gonna think about that. But as you can see from the title, this is gonna be my my cruise prep. So we're going on a cruise. It'll be August 21st through the 27th. So this will be my, I guess, week leading up to the cruise. This is day one of my prep. It is Monday. We leave on Sunday. So went to the mall. Went to Dick's. I also went to Marshall's. So I'll show y'all what I got. I got some underwear. Just 4 pair of underwear. We're gonna see how we like these. That's what I got from Marshall's, and then at Dick's, I got some more drawers. 3 pair of these. I think I'm gonna really like these ones. And then I also got just some Nike socks. That's all that we got. Me and my best friend are about to go. I'm sitting outside of Torchy's Tacos right now. So we're about to eat, do some business stuff, edit some videos. I need to edit some stuff on my Instagram. Just about to eat, and then we're gonna head back to my crib, and then I will see y'all at my crib. I might show y'all what I get from Torchy's, and then I'll see y'all at the crib. All right, so this is what we got. She got some chips, a trailer park bowl. I got a burrito with brisket and a breakfast taco with chorizo, egg, and cheese. Let's eat. All right, so we are back from the mall. Lies. We're back from eating Torchy's. It's like 10 o'clock now. I was supposed to come back hours ago. So we're going to start packing. So I have a couple of things laid out. I ran to H-E-B and grabbed some essentials for vacation. So I'm gonna put a couple of outfits together and then just get that laid out so we can get some things together. And then I'm not gonna pack everything tonight. This will be the main event in one of these photos. Just know, the pictures will be picturing. Just know. Make sure y'all are staying tuned to, there we go, my Instagrams, TikToks, all my social media stuff, so that way you guys are up to date, see all my stuff, the pictures. You guys can be more interactive on there. Just stay tuned. Okay, so I wanted to let you guys see at least one of the outfits that I'm planning on wearing. Not sure yet, but these cargos, nice little graphic tee, and then tie everything in. Sneaker. Just know that your boy will be fitted on this shit. Yeah, so I was also trying to look at this sneaker, so, and I'm not a sneakerhead, so I don't know. I know they're ones for sure, but Noble Green Pollen in white. My swimming trunks. So swimming trunks. These to tie in the greens. And then my hater blockers. So my hater blockers. And I'll probably just wear a white beater or a black white beater. But so that'll about wrap it up for day one of my week-long prep for the cruise. Today is, I'm looking at my calendar. So today is for sure the 15th. Jesus, we're halfway through August already, guys. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more days until the cruise. So I don't want to start bringing stuff out knowing I'm gonna have to wear it throughout the week. So this is all I'm doing for right now. I'll see you on the next day. All right, peace. All right, what is up, tube of the U? I'm back. So this is day 2 of my cruise prep. It's really day like 3 or 4, but I didn't do anything the other days for my prep. So today I have to get my COVID test. It is Thursday. We depart Sunday. So we have to have a negative test at least 3 days before. And then probably gonna give me some food. I am doing my mother's hair today for the cruise. And then my sister's hair tomorrow. I'm gonna be tired. We are done. All right, we are on the way back home. I'm going to Subway because I need some food. It is 1:30 and I have not eaten yet. So yeah, I'll see y'all tonight. Peace. You a goddamn lie. All right, YouTube, what is up? It is, wow. It's Friday. We leave Sunday, so we have 2 more days. I am packing. There's stuff everywhere, literally everywhere. So I am packing. I still have a couple more clients. I have 2 more today. I did my mom's hair yesterday. Went to dinner for my grandma. Started my sister's hair last night. Finished her hair this morning. And then now I have 2 more clients today, and then I'm done. I'm done doing hair. So let me show you what we got going on right now. We have things everywhere. So over here, that stuff that needs to be folded. I just washed this stuff. We have 1 suitcase, 2 suitcases. So I'm bringing 2. We have loungewear. These are extra black shirts. We have an outfit here, potentially. We have an outfit here, a little waffle shirt. Outfits, and then just essentials in there. Shea butter, moisturizer, toilet shoes. Of course, I gotta pack the rest of the stuff. We have a hat here. I showed that hat earlier in one of my other clips. And then back here, these are mock bottles for you know what, wink wink. And then we have swimming trunks, extra hoochie shorts, and then another wife beater. And then that's what I'm wearing once I get to port. This camera needs to focus. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing to the port. I'm bringing my Yeezy slides, foam runners. I got dress shoes for the captain's dinner and then the dining halls. My 5s, and then 2 pair of 1s. And then this is my workout wear. So I got some Nike shirts, black shirts, and then my shorts, and then we got drawers. Make sure you always bring extra pair of underwear. So this lighting sucks, but we're almost done. Almost done. I think I have everything that I'm going to bring out. So I'm gonna condense some of this stuff. It's a lot, And then definitely trying to somewhat get into content creating and influencing. I gotta pack my tripods and stuff in one bag. And then with my shoes, I don't know how I'm gonna squeeze 5 pair of shoes in these bags. And then my other bag is gonna be all my outfits and stuff. I also gotta bring my fragrances still. I need to bring my brushes, my do-rags. I need to bring my jewelry. So I have on all silver jewelry right now. And then my silver bracelets. I think I'm going to be changing into gold for at least one of my outfits because I need my gold Cuban. So I gotta pack jewelry too. Oh, and shades. Yeah. So I just recently got into shades, and yeah, they will be worn for sure. Good morning, YouTube. It is Saturday. We are one day out from the cruise. So I have a haircut appointment today. Gotta go to work 12 to 6. Gotta get my nails, so my feet and my hands done. And then I'm gonna lay out my outfit for today. I'm gonna do some regular black slacks and this green shirt. And then my loafers. All right, so we are clean. So I'm about to get dressed for work and my haircut. So I'm actually about to make a get ready with me on my TikTok. So go follow my TikTok page and my Instagram page. Follow all my socials to stay connected. We are in the car outside the barber shop. This is my before. When I slide on the busted, my beard needs to be lined up. My hair is not here right now, so waiting on him. My appointment is in 6 minutes, so he's with a client right now. I'm gonna chill out in the car until he calls me up. Wait, let me show you. In the white shirt. So we're gonna wait for old Chris boy. So excited! So the cruise is supposed to, the storm is supposed to hit.
Oh, cruise, hold on, where? I'll hop on real.
I think what the world needs more of is us getting off our fucking phones.
All right, we are back the night before. Hold on. Night before the cruise. It is about 8 o'clock. I just got done packing my mystery bottles. So what I did was I brought these fake shampoo bottles and conditioner bottles off of Amazon. And then they come with a seal. So we're gonna see. Hopefully it works. If not, they'll confiscate it and then your boy will not be lit on the ship. So right now I'm just getting all my essentials ready. Guys, my bags are pretty much packed. Hold on. To the brim. I have all my stuff in there. And then in here I have more stuff. Just all my shoes. So I'm just gonna pack these shampoo bottles, conditioner bottles. I need to bring my beats for the gym and my jewelry. So I'm gonna pack that stuff now. And then we'll be done. My charger, we should be good. Good morning, YouTube. It is the day of Sunday. It's cruise day. So I am ready, fitted, ready to go. This is my boarding outfit. Something slight. Not wearing a do-rag, but gotta have my hair laid down. I think I'm gonna bring a backpack. So 2 suitcases and a backpack. These are the 2 suitcases. Do-rags, chargers, brush, deodorant, and then a couple other things. Fragrance for the day of Antonio Banderas. Let's go. So you bringing 2 cases of antiquated one? Yeah, they're reading.
It says, what does that say? Liberty Seas.
Oh, that makes sense.
That's what black people do. There are
Yeah.